Okay, so by the way, I just thought of this now, saying this. So this dress name, ngalithola le dress 2017. Bengiyomodela for the first time. Was it for the first time? No, I think it was for the second time. Yes, I think it was for the second, because the first time it was Style Elevation, which was in Innerdale, and then for the second time, bekune Mr. and Miss Summer la eFine Town, and then we host Mawele nabo Austerado, you know, and that's why I actually like learned on how to model. Umuntu wangifundisa umodela nje uSisilerato. And yeah, I'm this good today because of her, and I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, bekunzima. So fast forwarding, let dress ngalithengela for logo. So let dress leli ngalithenga le dress okwenzakala ngisakhumbuli, but umama ka my ex-friend ufikile, uya I think owasihlanganisela lama dresses lawa, and then sawafixa bewamakhulu, bewangekho like stylist. And then I went to this other local guy, ubaba bekathunga, ngamcela ukuthi angithungele roko leli alikhathe, ngamtshela ukuthi angenzele lona kanjani alikhatha. Well, awuzama khona, it's not that bad yabo angenzela. So these things belingekho so le roko leli beli, I think so beli so like beli straight nje bakiroko nje selide, and then line slit la. No, nale slit lesi siyenziwe, you see, nale slit lesi siyenziwe. Ngamcela ukuthi akhade la avule islit, you can see ngale lontuzana le ngiyahali le egreen yabo, ayithunga konke la lo baba lo. And then lento lezi boke ezicathulo, I still remember those shoes, amahili yo, yeah. And then sasithatha lapho ngathi angifakele la. So again, we had to model. Time the final day, ngalifaka dress. Le dress leli belingangilingana, alizange nje langilingana since ever kwaba yini, and ngalifaka on that day, and that was the first and the last time ngiligqoka le rock. Angazi empilweni yami ngaligqoka anywhere. Bengitswafa nje, ngitswafela lezi zinto ngathi nama ants nyana, but now I'm actually looking at it, and I can see the nair, man. I can see that nair. This is a beautiful dress. I mean, come on, this is really a beautiful dress, and it would really sit well on me. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi manje ngizama ukulifaka ngibone, since phela umuntu sekajima mhlawumbe sekanama changes nyana okabo, because lona belikhulu nyana man, likhulu nyana, lidinga uku-adjustwa kancane nje ukuthi lingibambe kahle. But yeah, I just want to wear it, and then since nje ngili-ayina, so ngifuna ukugqoka ngishoot i-content nyana la endlini, ngimodele, you know, ngidinge ngazo le. And yeah, and then I'm gonna show you guys when I'm wearing it. This is how the dress is. It's really beautiful, elegant, sexy, nice slit. Just that it's big, like inside one it's such a cool. Then this is the head part. No. It's really sexy and beautiful. Ooh. It's giving. Wow. I love this.